Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about a common issue we all face, vibrations from a washing machines. Check out my old washing machine stand. It's been battered by vibrations and moisture for the last 8 years. And now it's starting to rust and come apart. But don't worry, I found an advanced replacement that we're going to unbox and test today. We are unboxing an anti-vibration mount that isn't just for washing machines. It's versatile enough for a variety of appliances around the house. And the best part, it's available on Amazon for just Rs 234. This product promises to have good bearing capacity, toughness, wear resistance, moisture resistance, corrosion resistance, and promises to be durable over a long period of time. Inside, we have 4 of these mounts, pretty straightforward. It's made of high quality resin fiber plastic. Unique groove design is meant to grip the feet of the washing machine tightly, effectively reducing vibration and noise. This not only protects the machine but also keeps your floors safe. Plus, the bottom features a suction cup that holds the appliance in place and prevents slipping. I really like the dark color of the plastic. It gives it a sleek look. These mounts are built strong and the groove design is not just functional, it looks good too. Let's get to the fun part, installing these mounts. I'll be honest, swapping out the old stand for this new mounts was a bit of a challenge, especially with the cramped space around the washing machine. It's definitely a 3-person job, but we made it work and now we are ready to give it a test run. Let's see how it performs. As the machine starts at low RPM, there is no vibration at all, super smooth. But as it ramps up into the spin cycle, you might notice a bit of vibration. That's normal. What's interesting is that the machine is vibrating mostly at the top while the base remains rock solid. Take a look at this. The mounts are holding up really well. I'm honestly impressed with how stable everything is. I appreciate the value for money, sturdiness, and these are highly effective at reducing vibrations, providing great stability and seem really reliable. However, I'm curious to see how they hold up when washing heavier items like thick blankets where vibration levels can be extreme. Thanks for joining me today. If you're dealing with vibration from your washing machine, I definitely recommend giving these mounts a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and reviews.